The dog's gonna help out with the sound control. Kona? Alright guys, are you looking to ditch that boring old lamp and seriously level up the atmosphere in your living room, man cave, office, whatever you want to do with it? This is the 61-inch smart RGB LED corner lamp. Wow, that one's a mouthful. Forget basic lighting, we're talking 16 million DIY colors at your fingertips. Plus, it has 3 distinct color temperatures, so you can go from focusing on bright white while you're working to a warm, relaxing vibe, or full-on party mode with dynamic flowing colors. And yes, it syncs with your music, pulsing with the change of the beat. Pretty awesome when you got those tunes playing, or if you're watching a movie, you can control it either with an app on your phone or the included remote. It's super straightforward to work with. This thing tucks neatly into any corner, saving space while making a big impact. You've been watching me set it up. What do you say we go talk to me, see how it's working, and get my experience with it? Alright, here it is. You saw me assemble it. This LED light lamp was super easy to assemble. I thought we should plug it in together for the first time. Now, the one thing that I am noticing is for sure the cord is pretty short on this, but let's see if we can make it work. All right, let's flip the switch. What do you say? Da, 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 da. Okay, we got power. Oh, Kona, what do you think of that? Oh, how cool is that? That thing is actually really cool looking. Let's put it on auto. So this is obviously, we got a kind of like a scaling, surging kind of color, which is really pretty cool. Let's see, let's try that. Oh, I like these. I like these when it kind of like soothingly goes from one color to the other. I have to say, I am so impressed with this. I really was not expecting something that was quite this cool. It exceeded any expectation I had for this thing. Oh, I like that. That looks like it should be like in the Star Trek bar or something like that. All right, and the last thing I want to try, I can't play music for you, but let's put it in music mode and see if it changes to the tone of my voice, which obviously it does. Oh, this thing is so cool. Let me go over here to give you a perspective of size. Well, let's start with this. I am 6'2" tall. The dog's gonna help out with the sound control. Kona? Oh, that's so funny. Hi, Kona, you having fun with the light? You coming to just hang out and say hi to everybody? Say hi. Hello, my little buddy. All right, this is an absolute winner. If you're looking for a lamp, this is ridiculously cool. I'm telling you, I've done a bunch of these LED lamps, and so far this is easily my favorite. There's actually a link right here on the screen, worst case in the description. Please, if you would use that link, it really helps out the channel and lets us get more cool toys like this to do reviews for you, but it doesn't cost you anything extra, so I'm gonna say thank you in advance. While you're down there, remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more cool videos like this. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments, or if you have ideas for other lamps, but I'm doubting you're gonna come up with one cooler than this. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.